Dear friends, it's true that the punishment of grave gets stopped during the month of Ramadan. Why is Shaitan confined during Ramadan? During the night of Ramadan, Allah performs the special actions. What are they? The Almighty Allah has showered so much honor upon this month of mercy that He decided to stop the punishment of the grave. Also, the doors of Jannah are opened. Allah and His servants are removed during this holy month. It's truly a time to gain betterment in life. During the month of Ramadan, Allah comes exceptionally closer to human beings, and He readily accepts the prayers of His servants. In His holy month, Allah generously extends His hands of kindness. Allah wants all His servants to get the opportunity to enter Jannah. Therefore, during the auspicious nights of Ramadan, He showers the rewards for the worship of His devotees. Hence, the holy month of Ramadan stands as a prime time for self-purification. During the month of Ramadan, the door of Jahannam are closed for a whole month so that the people who are being punished can get relief for a certain period. But these people must have to be Muslim. But those who have died as a disbeliever or kafir will continue to face punishment. It's important to note that there is no direct evidence including that all punishment in the graves are stopped for everyone during Ramadan. The month of Ramadan brings us a golden opportunity to attain Jannah. During this month, we must have to be engaged in good deeds and worship in a way that Allah Himself protects us from Jahannam. In Ramadan, Allah grants us 60 opportunity to be saved from Jahannam. It means for each day of fasting, we have 2 chances to save ourselves from miserableness of Jahannam. Not only this, throughout the month of Ramadan, Shaitan and his companions are confined so that believers can get rid of him. The greatness of Ramadan often makes us more aware, making it easier to resist negative influences. While fasting the month of Ramadan, our body and mind focus solely on observing the fast. As a result, negative thoughts are less likely to arise easily. While fasting, our bodies may feel tired, but along with worshipping Allah, our minds also keep thinking when we will grant us the permission to break our fast. Therefore, inappropriate thoughts do not easily occupy our minds during this time. In other months, when we are full with food, negative and sinful thoughts tend to settle with us. Each of has a hidden devil living with our minds, introducing undesirable thoughts. During fasting, our physical weakness aligns with the vulnerability of the inner companion, making even the devil himself weaker. Hence, during the scared month, we remain safe completely from the influence of Shaitan. May Allah protect us from all forbidden actions and the fire of Jahannam. Ameen.